Okay, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, or welcome if it's your first time here, today's video is going to be the Morphe Vava Bloom palette. I think this is the 12M palette. I was trying, is that even what that is there for? I don't know, back here it says 12M, because you know they're usually like 35 whatever or whatever, so hold on. Okay, that doesn't make sense because there's like 18 shades in here, so this would have to be 18 something, and I don't know, but you guys, I didn't throw away my shade sheet right here, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to keep it in there to read the shade names anyway. If you saw my Morphe, what is it called? Everyday Chic palette video I did, probably it'll be like a week or so before this one goes up. I lost my the shade names. But anyway, this is what the inside of this palette looks like. And this, okay, that's not too hard to show you guys. I was just worried because it doesn't open all the way up. But this is just a beautiful palette. It's warm where we live. Like, it's almost 60 degrees today. So, like, I'm feeling all the spring vibes. So, got my cute hot pink lipstick on. Like, got some cute, like, pinkish, orangish blush. Like, we're gonna go in, we're gonna do a really cute, fun, easy pink look, and that's what we're gonna do today. So, I'm gonna point to the shades because, like I said, if I try and hold this in there, I'm gonna, oh wait, this is the 18V palette. I saw it on the tiniest little spot in this here little shade sheet that I'm probably gonna not use. Let's try and start out with the shade Rosy, which is this shade right here. And yeah, I'm just really just feeling all the spring vibes. Like, the flowers are starting to bloom. I am just so excited. The only thing that I hate is it gets hot here fast. So, like, it's almost 60 degrees now, and, like, I guarantee you by, like, it's February 26th. And, like, I guarantee you by the beginning of April, it's probably going to be, like, 80 degrees here. And, like, it's not just regular 80 degrees, it's 80 degrees and just very humid. So it's like you have just a couple weeks after winter, which it didn't even really get. I mean, there were a couple days where it was really cold, but, I don't know. We usually get a lot more snow and stuff, but it's like, it just barely got, like, into freezing or below freezing just a handful of days this winter. So yeah, I'm like, crap, we're probably gonna have like a super brutal summer. Not looking forward to that. Okay, now let's go in with this shade. What would this be called? She's Tough. This shade right here. We're just gonna find that crease a little more, and then we're gonna go in with some of these really, really pretty shimmery shades. I cannot wait. You know, I love the shimmery shades. That's pretty. It's a very pretty purpley maroon shade. Such a pretty shade. Okay, so I was totally picturing more of like a pink look, but we kind of took a purple maroony turn there. But it looks pretty, so I'm not upset about it. Okay. Now, Gotta do some pink here, like pink pink, not like purple pink, not like maroon pink, pink pink. So I'm going to, I hate having to, I have to put this in every time I want to tell you guys a shade. We're gonna go in with the shade Dandy, such a funny name, which is this shade right here, and we're just gonna kind of put that all over the lid, I think. I say think because sometimes I wish you guys could see like it looks really pretty when there's kick up and it just goes flying everywhere. I wish you guys could see it because it is really, really pretty. Alright. So I just wanted to like put like just a pretty layer of a lighter pink down. And then we are gonna go in with the fun shimmer shades. I don't know, like when I think of spring, like I just think of the pretty bright, vibrant shades, so like the pinks, the greens, the yellows, the light blues, all the pretty shades. Okay. Now, what shade do I want to do for a shimmer? I'm just gonna lightly, just so I can see what these look like, kind of put some of these on my wrist really quick. Okay, let's, Ooh, okay. Let's go in with the shade All Nighter, which is this shade right here. That is just a pretty shimmery pink pink. And then we might go on and like add some other shades to it, or, you know, just see what happens. That is pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. Okay, so that is pink. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I kind of want to try something. You know, occasionally I like to do like a little pop of a different color in the center of the lid. So I kind of want to take the shade Bloom, which is the shade right here. And it's like a, what is the word I'm looking for? It's like a, oh, rose gold. That's it. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, it's pink gold, but there's a name for it. It's like a pretty rose gold shade. So I'm just going to take that and just going to pop it in the center of the lid just to kind of see how, just to kind of add a little something special. It's pretty. I'm not sure how well it's picking up on camera, but it looks so pretty with the pink surrounding it. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's just something to add like a little special touch, you know. Just a little something special. Okay, very pretty. Now for the lower lash line, we're just gonna gently put, what shade are we gonna do? Let's see. Let's go with the shade right here, which is Miss Me. That one right there. And we're just going to gently buff that under on that lower lash line. All right. Now, I want to take the shade My Loves, which is the shade right here, and just kind of put that in the center of the lower lash line. Okay. And then for our lower inner corner highlight, we're going to go in with the shade Cutesy, which is the shade right here. You guys, I'm so sorry. Like, my fingers just get in the way, and it's so hard. Especially when palettes don't open all the way up to show you what I'm actually going in with. But I'm doing the best I can here. So let's go into the shade Cutesy. And we're going to do that lower inner corner highlight. It is very cutesy. It's very pretty. I'm going to put a little up here as well, which I usually don't do, but it's just giving off just something extra special. I just want to try and add just a smidge right there, which is very hard to get to, like, on with the way that my eye is shaped. But I tried. Sorry guys, I keep forgetting, like, I need to not go out of frame, but it's like really hard to do. Because I need to be able to see what I'm doing, which sometimes I have to get closer to my mirror. So sometimes it's not easy. Let's put a little more over on this other side. All right. Now I'm gonna go do my mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and this is the finished look. And I don't know, I just absolutely love this. I just love pinks. This is just so pretty. I love that pop of I keep wanting to say pink gold. It's a rose gold that I put on at the center. Can you see that? I love this look. Like, I'm so ready for spring. So a couple things. The blush that I'm wearing, I just wanted to show you guys because I absolutely adore it. It's such a pretty, it's like an orangish, pink coral kind of shade. And it's called Georgette, and it's a ColourPop Super Shock. And here is what that looks like. It's just such a pretty shade. I love it. I actually bought it a while ago and then I kind of put it away, but since I found it again, I just find myself grabbing for it all the time. And then the lip, it is the Essence Hydra Matte lipstick in the shade Coral Competence. And here is just what that looks like. This, it is matte, but it's not too drying. I don't know. Okay, that came off really, really bad. So this is not a foolproof, will not come off lipstick. This is gonna get everywhere. But it's really pretty. And so, like, I think, like, just as long as you don't go around kissing people all the time, I think you'll be fine because, yeah, I've had this on for a while and I don't have it all over my face. So, yeah, that's kind of what we've got going on today. And here's another look at this palette, the Vava Bloom palette by Morphe. I think I decided it was called the 18V palette. And here is another look at the inside. Just so pretty. Just, this to me is like your perfect spring palette. It's got like some pinks, some golds, some purples. Just a beautiful, fun palette. So you guys, that is it for today. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day, morning, night, wherever it is, wherever you are. Just know that you are loved. You're amazing. You can do all the hard things. Like, just seriously believe in yourself. That's so important. That's something I'm really working on too. So yeah, just do your best. You are amazing as you are. Like, don't let anyone tell you that you don't matter. You're not good enough. Like, just, that's not true. Don't listen to that. Believe in yourself, and I will see y'all in the next one.